Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am clearly out of my bedroom today. I'm actually out and about on the town here in Nashville. So I have not left my house in like 2 weeks. I mean, I've gone out like occasionally to get like food here and there when I felt like I couldn't cook. Sorry if it's loud, by the way. So I've gone out occasionally, but also really not at all. So today I left my house because I'm feeling a little bit better. I think it's because I am almost at the end of my first trimester. I'm literally like 3 days away from the end of my first trimester. And so I think I'm gonna start having a lot more of these good days. Anyways, I'm out of the house at the local coffee shop to edit some videos, and I thought I would hop on here and film my intro. And because my hair is done, I haven't done my hair in like a while. So this is the final product of my hair, but what you're gonna see today is the process, like my hair care routine. So this is like, I didn't film the styling because I feel like I have filmed how I style my hair like a million times. Now my hair looks different now because I recently got it cut and colored, so it looks different, it falls different, but I style it exactly the same, where I let my hair completely air dry and then I just wrap a couple pieces like around a curling iron. Sorry, knocking the table. So with that being said, we're gonna hop right in. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It not only lets me know that you like the video, but it also helps to support my channel. And don't forget to check the info box for the secret, but not actually secret because I'm announcing it, giveaway. I will hopefully see you guys back here very soon with another new video. Let's hop into it.
All right, so is everyone prepared for the most detailed hair brushing scene ever? I have a couple of different tangle teasers. This one does feel a little gentler though, so I pulled out this tangle teaser for the day, or for my hairbrush, and I took my hair down, and this is how I start every shower. Because here's the thing, my friend out here in Nashville told me she's the most amazing hair. Her name is Nikkiphillippi on Instagram, and she told me that she never brushes her hair when it's wet, because not only is the hair much more like pliable and more likely to tear, but also she said that it actually helps to maintain the wave in her hair. So ever since she told me that tip, I only brush my hair now before I wash it. So I do a very thorough brushing, and my hair is not only very thick, but it's also very wavy and prone to knots. So I could do just like a quick brush, but then really if I get detailed and put my fingers underneath, like I'll find knots. So I try to make sure that the brush that I do before the shower is like each inch, like section by section. So I kind of just like pick through everything and gently brush out my hair. Also, another little tip, I brush my hair from the ends working up. So I don't start at the top of my head and brush down. I feel like you're more likely to snag knots that way versus slowly easing the knots out of your hair. And then I just did one kind of final check by parting my hair in half and going through side by side just to make sure every knot was smoothed. So once I had brushed through all of my hair, I typically tend to pull my hair up before I hop in the shower because I know I'm going to be washing my face and other stuff as well, but I want to maintain like the brush out that I just did. So just thought I'd show you. It was a beautiful day for a shower. I love the way that my plants look in my shower window, and also, when I wash my hair, Zoe gets her hair washed. That's kind of our routine. So a couple times a week, both of us are getting washed. She's basically a walking mop, so she could use like a hair wash every day. But typically, I'm only washing her hair when I take a shower to wash my hair. So currently, the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using are the Lavender Mint shampoo from Young Living, which is essential oil based, sulfate free, just like a more natural shampoo. And then I'm also using Young Living's Copaiba vanilla conditioner. It's super moisturizing, and it also makes my hair smell like vanilla frosting. So I love this stuff. And just like the shampoo, it's plant-based, focused around essential oils, and I just love it. So when I wash my hair, I like to give my hair a deep cleanse. Not only because I'm only washing my hair like once or twice a week, honestly, sometimes 3 times, but also because I think a scalp massage is like really important for healthy hair. So once I get my hair thoroughly wet and I give my scalp a little scrub, I take my first cleanse. That's right, I do cleanse my hair twice, especially with the more natural shampoo, like my Young Living shampoo. And I typically keep my water like warm, not hot, but warm when I'm washing it. So it's like comfortable and tolerable, but not too warm. So I apply the shampoo to my hair, scrub it at my roots, and like I really scrub, guys. Like I give myself a scalp massage, and then I let the shampoo drip down kind of through the ends of my hair. And then it is time for my second wash. So I take my same shampoo, a good amount. Now, this bottle is not that big, but I think because I don't wash my hair very often, even using the shampoo twice, I feel like this shampoo lasts like a while. And also, the funny thing is, typically the second time of using this shampoo is really when my hair gets those suds, like the bubbles. The first time it doesn't sud so much, but the second time it does. So I don't know why that is, if like the first time it's getting gunk and then the second time it's really cleansing the hair, kind of like a double cleanse on the face. But that's just kind of the way that it pans out. Then I typically use my hands to kind of squeeze the excess water out of my ends. Then I take a pretty generous amount of my Copaiba vanilla conditioner, and sometimes it takes a second to squeeze it into my hand, as you can clearly see, because it's a very thick conditioner. So once I get out the amount that I want, I apply my conditioner from about my ears, like the mid shaft of my hair. In the front, I do come a little bit higher because my hair is a little bit shorter and I still want to get the ends, but it's typically about from like the mid shaft down to the ends that I really massage and squeeze in this conditioner. And so once it's in my hair, I typically let my conditioner sit in my hair for like 15 minutes or so. I'm one of those long shower takers. Like the shower is my favorite place on the planet. And then to wash my conditioner out, I make my water as cold as I can tolerate, and then I wash out my conditioner. And the reason I do that is because in general, from everything that I've seen, cold water is just healthier on your hair. It causes the cuticles to close up, especially in this last step after you've conditioned them. That's kind of a nice thing to do, and it makes your hair a little bit shinier. So I like to end my hair washing session with chilly water. So once I hop out of the shower, I do something that people will tell you not to do, but I've just never had a problem with it, and it's the most effective for my hair because it's so thick. I will typically squeeze out excess water onto a towel and wrap my hair up. I know people say this can cause damage, but like I said, I've never really noticed a problem with that. And so once my hair has a chance to sit in the towel for a little while and kind of dry up, when I take my hair down, I like to apply some kind of treatment to the mid shaft and the ends. And lately I have been using this Plush Locks leave-in smooth conditioner thingy, like for split ends and just hydrating the ends of your hair. And this also smells like a vanilla cookie. This is not a natural line, but I haven't had a lot of success with like natural products being like my leave-in product. And I don't really put any product on my hair other than this. Like I'm not really a hairspray person unless I'm doing an ornate hairstyle, which is pretty much only for a special occasion. Like it's rare. So this is the extent of my products, is just something to keep my hair hydrated, since I not only don't wash it very often, but I also have wavy hair. Also, obviously the hair that's farther away from your head is more old and therefore, in my opinion, is more dead. So I like to just keep it hydrated. And then while I'm kind of applying it and while my hair is air drying, honestly, I do a whole lot of this, like just running my fingers through my hair, flipping my hair. People ask me a lot how I have so much volume in my hair, and a lot of it is just, you know, the way my hair is. But truly, I mean, I've been working with my own hair for my whole life, so I know how it is. And since I adopted this technique of like, while it is air drying, continuing to flip my hair from side to side and scrunch, my hair just has so much more volume now. And that is pretty much it for my hair care routine. So it's pretty simple, but it's specific. And I've had a lot of questions from you guys to do this, so I'm glad I got to share. If you are hearing my voice, 1, don't forget to check my info box for the giveaway in this video. 2, if you missed my last video, look, there it is. That's a little preview on screen. And 3, I wanted to say thank you to all of you again that have gone over and subscribed to my Patreon. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's a website where I am now uploading bonus content. So if you really like my stuff and want to see more of me, you can subscribe over there for as little as $1 a month and see bonus content that I upload. And I just really appreciate all of your support. And so with that being said, I will hopefully see you guys back here soon with another new video. Bye guys.